how easy it is to make real money by trading binary options. Do you need the secret of success? Well, here it is. By starting today's trading strategy and learning just one thing, you can start your whole trading journey just today. And it all absolutely risk-free, guaranteed, and it will change your life for sure. Hi, my name is Liya and I'm a professional trader. Just 3 simple actions will help you to change your life and start making money on binary options. Watch all my videos with a detailed explanation on all trading strategies that I'm going to have. Subscribe to my Telegram channel, so there is a community of beginner traders where I give recommendations by myself, and I absolutely recommend you to join it because there will be unique explanation on every trading session that I have. So under this video, right in the description, there is a link to my Telegram channel so you can go and see it yourself. Also, there is my personal Telegram, so you can write personally me and I will answer you as fast as I can. I will give you my unique recommendations and I will help you to start making money absolutely risk-free. And number 3, don't forget to put all your knowledge and my personal tips into the practice. And once again, I repeat, guys, you can stop thinking, start acting, and there will be a difference in your life. Now it's the time. Write to me and I will give my personal recommendations. My tips will help you to avoid the most common mistakes that beginner traders make. Okay, now let's get started with the most interesting trading session today. Let's go. Okay, so here we are with you on the Quotex platform. My dears, today I'm holding another live session and I will examine in detail the combination of alligator indicator and stochastic oscillator. This is a great combination for a beginner trader. Just think, after watching my short video, you will be able to earn from $50 daily. So what are we waiting for today? Let's go. Time frame 1 minute. And now let's run through the settings. The first indicator is alligator. I will not change the settings. I will leave the recommended ones and I will only apply the colors. Okay. Remember that the speed of decision making depends on it. Those who always watch my videos know that every little thing affects trading, like in fact. And as I said before, today's edition will be the stochastic oscillator. Okay, this is just a beautiful pair and I'm going to change the settings here. Not all of them, just the overbought level, okay? I'll set it to 80 and the oversold level 20, thereby widening the interlevel corridor, removing false market movements for us. So we will start with the currency pair British pound and Japanese yen. Here we can see the beginning of the bearish trend movement. As in the textbook, the indicator shows a very smooth shift of the moving curves, followed by their crossing. So well, I don't waste any time. I'm confidently entering the sale. I suggest we wait for the deal to close and then we will go over everything in detail. And yes, the first plus on the balance in $84 is a pretty good start here. Don't you agree with me? Okay, let's look carefully at the screens. I'll show you some interesting things here. First, we see the intersection of the movement curves, where the blue one goes to the top, the green one takes the position at the bottom. So this indicates a clear downtrend. The alligator's jaws are beginning to open. And guys, this is the optimal point to enter the market, okay? So guys, rubbing your hands on the winnings, you forgot to remind me about one oscillator. That take a good look at the stochastics. And yes, I'm not seeing any obvious signals here, but guys, we have a crossing of the curves in the oversold zone. So okay, after the level is broken, we see a slight downward trend. That's the direction. Cool. Okay, yeah, you might say, Liya, that's weak. The market is already full of sellers. Your decision is wrong and the price should go up. And yes, you're absolutely right, but you've got the timing exactly wrong. It will happen, but a little later. Disclaimer, guys, this is very important. Because you are a beginner, you risk losing your money at first. Well, because you don't have enough experience. And I don't want this to happen to you like it happened to me. I post daily trading signals in my Telegram channel, with the help of which I trade myself, and many people use it as recommendations. Why? Because it can protect you from my mistakes. By simply copying what I do, you can get on trading experience as safe as possible. Just a small amount of money, you will be able to avoid 90% of the mistakes that beginner traders make. So put aside your fear and start acting. Okay guys, so I left the link to my Telegram channel right here in the descriptions under this video, and you decide, join it or not. You decide, change your life or not. Follow the link and start earning with me. Okay, now let's get started. In the following price chart, currency pair American dollar with Swiss franc. Change the bet to $186. Here we go. Sell order, and I'll explain everything to you after the trade is over. Okay guys, we're making a profit and I'm very happy about it. It's a surplus in the balance sheet. Okay, now let's put everything in order. Let's start with the stochastic. It's a brilliant tool here. It gives a total of 3 signals and a large lot of money. We see the intersection of the key and D curves right here, right on the overbought line here. Having made an obvious bounce from the upper level, they continue their movement downwards within the price corridor. That means the trend is solid and non-stop movement to the lower level is a sure thing. So we also see how our alligator is doing. Is everything okay? And I immediately see the intersection of the moving curves, just like in the textbook. The green line goes down, crossing the blue moving curve, and the jaw is surely opening. This is nothing but a bearish trend here. So here is an interesting situation on the price chart. I want to put it up now, and let's say $370. That will be enough. Okay guys, are you interested? Yeah, we are going to sell here. So guys, please be patient. I'll give you a full explanation after the order closes. Once again, a successful transaction. Well, let's go through it in detail, as you like to do. Okay, I'm highlighting both indicators at the same time. The whole zone. The alligator shows a clear downtrend, and we can see the curves pointing straight down. It's the same as always, a moving crossover. I'm sure you've learned that signal by now, didn't you guys? So let me know in the comments, okay? The alligator is opening its mouth. The alligator is hungrier than ever. It's time to hunt. And here is stochastic. Pay attention. For some reason, it shows slightly different signals, and the lines are in the oversold zone and naturally passes on the low level. According to this data, we can judge that the market is in a calm state. We can hope for nothing but sluggish fluctuations of price candles without any obvious trend. And here we are faced with a problem. It consists in the contradiction between the indicator and oscillator readings. So what to do, you ask me? I will answer you that in this case we should stick to the indicator readings when analyzing. That's the rule. Oscillator is a system of calculations that predicts the possible movement of the price chart. So in my strategy, it is used as an additional tool. Continuing our trade, once again, a beautiful signal. I suggest we raise the bet, say $740. And yes, you and I can try to include another oscillator here. That's a great solution. I'm going to make these settings a little more subtle. I'll change the K value of the period to 7. And the price levels are 80, 20, the same we used for the first stochastic. So by reducing the period, I get a more sensitive infographic, but with a large number of false trades. So we cut them off with a lower oscillator, and in short, we use data from a pair of oscillators by cutting off false trades. Okay, I suggest opening a buy order and wait for the deal to close. That's great. Profit on the balance sheet again. The deal is closed and we can go into more detail right now. Interesting bundle of alligator and 2 stochastics at once. I know you'll like it, guys. Yes, it allows us to see all the market trends in more detail and react to them in time. Here again, according to the alligator indicator, we confidently understand that the market will definitely move upwards. There was a crossing of moving curves and they are replacement by positions. So the indicator is directed upwards, and that's because the sellers are being replaced by buyers. That's why the alligator's jaw starts to open more and more, and this is the confident market signal, which predicts a stable bullish trend, and as we can see on the price chart. But the upper chart of the stochastic oscillator, which is set for a longer period of time, it shows a completely neutral position. And yes, the curves K and D, although they are in the overbought zone, still feel quite comfortable there. They don't move anywhere and don't plan to move. How should this affect the market? False trades, that's how. Okay, stochastic on a small period. This is one that shows more false signals. It shows us a completely similar situation. It shows us a clear sideways trend movement without any declines or rises in price. So this is the case as in the presented situation. We act on the basis of the graphical indicators of the indicator. Since the indicator summarizes market information in real time, and oscillators predict the expected movement by means of short mathematical calculations and show a possible trend of market development, this is quite a common situation. So as in today's trading session, we faced it twice, but how good is this, that we are prepared and aware of such subtleties. Plus, we always use indicator in bunches for more accurate technical analysis. So if you like this video, please give us some likes, okay? And go to my channel, there is a lot of useful content. Well, that's exactly how you can organize a daily profit and income by applying just one trading strategy. Can't wait to start trading. Yes, I dare you not to hold back. But still, if you have some questions, please write me in the comments or to my personal Telegram channel, because I will answer everything. And please don't forget to put likes on this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, because this is very important for me. See you very soon, guys. Bye bye.